BJP na luchingba laingak asina COVID-19 laichattagi miyamgi punsi kannaba hotnabagi mahutta MLA Laithok Leisinda hena mai onsilaga leire haina AICC gi Manipur State Incharge Bhakta Charan Das na laingak asigi mathakta maral sirakli Congress Party ki oinadi lakadoriba election asigidamak sem saba loire MPCC gi manungda leiriba isu khudimak numit 8 nigi manungda waroisin ama puraklagani hainasu Bhakta Charan Das na fongdokhi Bhakta Charan Das na hai COVID-19 gi hauzik oiriba fibam ase laksan mangamnaba Manipur laingak na curfew thamjin kiba asana maram oiraga awaba mayok nariba miyamda Narendra Modi na luchingba laingak asina financial package natraga food package na jingba pinaba thoidokpa ahen mamiyeng changbagi mami amata tade Health ki portfolio su pariba Chief Minister N. Biren Amadi BJP laingak asina COVID-19 laichat asidagi miyamgi punsi kannaba hotnariba lantheng ase maithire haina sengdokfam thoki hainasu Bhakta Charan Das na akanba wafam thamki Hauzik India da achabu wathok am oiriba Iran da based tauba Pegasus spyware na lamdam asigi institutional rights individual rights amadi constitutional rights violate tawhaliba asigi matangdasu center da paliba Prime Minister Narendra Modi na luchingba BJP lengak asida maral sikhi
This government does not have any policy. Only they are busy to remain in government by any means, any kind of horse trading. This is human issue, sensitive issue to save the life of the people. Why are these ventilators not working in RIMS and JNIMs? The entire state is under curfew for 10 days after months of restrictions due to COVID by the BJP government in Manipur. Despite restriction, lockdown, containment and curfew, the BJP chief minister, who is also the health minister, has failed to bring down the daily COVID positivity rate under 1%. Except curfew, you have done nothing. Situation is so bad, nobody is coming out of. What has happened to the poor people, working class people? How they are sustaining? Are you giving any financial package or food package to them? The BJP government has not provided even a single penny as ex gratia compensation to the next kin of those who died due to the COVID in the state. Why is the BJP government not helping the family members of those who died due to COVID in Manipur? Why is the Chief Minister not providing RT-PCR test kits in mass testing for the people of Manipur? Under the present BJP government in the state, there is no hope of achieving 100% recovery from COVID cases under zero COVID deaths with zero COVID cases in Manipur. Why is the government of India, the Prime Minister, Mr. Modi, is not giving attention to the COVID situation of Manipur? We want to draw the attention of the government. The entire machinery should immediately, whatever best measure is possible, the government should come to the help of the people of Manipur.
Ngasi BT Road Labor Congress Bhavan da pangthokpa Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC gi press conference aduda CLP leader O Ibobi MLA ke Megachandra CWC member Gaikhangam na chingba Congress party gi maru oida mihut kaya su saruk yaki